In an industry built on tight deadlines, long hours, and high pressure environments, one of the fastest ways to lose good talent is how feedback is delivered, not the feedback itself. If you want to attract and retain top performers in the heavy civil construction and engineering industries, you have to master one skill that most leaders were never trained to do well: giving feedback that fuels growth instead of resentment. Hi, I'm Taylor Maurer, founder and senior managing partner at Heavy Civil Resource Consultants. We are a boutique talent search firm for the heavy civil construction and engineering industries. Now, today I want to talk about something that directly impacts your employer brand, your retention, and ultimately the quality of people you attract. How to deliver feedback in ways that strengthen relationships, even in the high stress construction environment. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see across the industry: giving feedback immediately when emotions are high. Construction is fast paced and conflicts happen, but reacting in the heat of the moment almost always escalates the situation. Psychologist Daniel Goleman, known for his work in emotional intelligence, said, "Without emotional self regulation, there is no constructive communication." And he's right. Step away from the situation. Take 5 minutes. Take an hour if you need to. Check in with your emotional state before you check in with your employee. Even if you're still frustrated, you're not ready to deliver the feedback. Second, remove anger from the delivery. Anger makes people defensive. Once someone is defensive, learning shuts down. The goal of feedback is improvement, not intimidation. Next, always deliver feedback one-to-one, never in front of the crew, never in front of peers. Public correction creates shame, and shame kills confidence. If you want people to grow, they need a psychological safety net, not public embarrassment. Choose the right location. An office works, a job site trailer works, even the cab of a pickup can work. What matters is privacy and a calm environment where a person can focus on the conversation. Be aware of your body language. Researcher Albert Maribon's communication model highlights that more than half of the message is delivered through nonverbal cues. If your posture is aggressive, if your arms are crossed, or you're standing over someone, the message will land as a threat, not guidance. Sit down, relax your shoulders, keep your tone steady. Show that you're there to help, not punish. Ask questions. Don't give lectures. Try, "What's going on for you in that moment?" Or, "How do you think we can prevent this next time?" When employees are part of the solution, they own the improvement. Focus on behavior, not character. Say, "The rebar placement didn't follow the plan," not, "Were you not paying attention again?" People can change behavior. Personal attacks do nothing but damage relationships. End with clarity. Clarify the expectation. Clarify the next step. Clarify how you will support them. People thrive when they know what success looks like. And here's the part that most managers forget: follow up. Feedback isn't a one-time event. Check back in. Acknowledge progress. Positive reinforcement is one of the most effective tools for long-term performance. Psychologist B.F. Skinner famously said, "What is reinforcement is repeated." If you want better work, reinforce better work. In the high-stress industry like ours, the leaders who attract and retain top talent aren't the loudest. They're the calmest. They're the ones who deliver feedback with intention, empathy, and respect. Because the truth is, people don't leave jobs. They leave communication breakdowns, broken trust, and bad leadership. Master feedback, and you'll not only strengthen your team, you'll make your company a magnet for top talent. For more great tips on hiring and retaining talent, please follow our company on LinkedIn. Thanks. We'll see you again soon.